Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's staying nice and warm in all this cold Arctic weather that everybody's experiencing across the United States. The only good thing with cold weather is train horns are much louder and the sound carries at a great farther distance. I guess we're going to title this video Horrible Sounding Train Horns. Now we've all got them certain locomotives that go through our town on a weekly base that their horns sound just absolutely horrible. Whether they have 2 or 3 dead bells, or maybe that one of the bells have got broken during service and there's just a block off plate and they just continue to run. But it makes these locomotives very noticeable. Like this locomotive. Yes, that one was a definitely horrible sounding horn, and it comes through our town quite often, and you can always hear it coming from quite a few miles away, and it's just distinct because it sounds so bad. Here's another good example of a horrible sounding locomotive horn. That one really hurts the ears. Whew. Here's another prime example of a horrible sounding locomotive horn. This horn just come in. I do not know the whole complete story with this horn. Somebody has pieced this horn together just like all train horns or all parts horns. They don't have a set of bells and they have it all matched. Here's a train horn. They just pull stuff out of a bin, throw a horn together, and that's what you get. This horn has bells 1L, 1, and 3. Now under any circumstances, I don't know how these bells could ever sound good together. And after blowing this horn, I stand to be right. It sounds horrible. This horn was probably mounted up underneath a pickup truck, and a big rock has flew up and broke the 1L clean in half. Now somebody has took a very good attempt of trying to fix it within their mechanical abilities, but failed miserably. No offense to the previous owner, but it could have been done a whole lot better. Let me get you a close-up here. Ouch. Very roughly done. I don't know what they used, but it definitely did not hold. Like I was saying, this horn has 1L and this 3. Now this is not a 3A or any other. They got a 3B too. I did take the back cap off, measured the depth, compared it to a 3A and a 3B. It is an actual straight 3 bell. So this is like the same thing as like a K3L uses or a K5H. This is a newer style horn, narrow font. And I've not had many 3-chime manifolds that has the raised letter Nathan air chime. Most of the time they just say Nathan. But from the paint, it almost looks like a UP gray. And it's original railroad paint. It's got your horrible drips where they just throw it on there when it comes through some paint booth. But, you know, surprisingly, for the 1L bell looking as bad as it is, and this bell combination, I don't see how it could ever sound good together. I was kind of surprised. It does not sound bad, but it definitely does not sound good. So, that being said, my personal opinion, if you're ever going to piece together a 3-chime horn, 1L, 1 and 3 is definitely not a good combination. Even if the 1L was still intact, it's not a good sound in my opinion. Other people might think it'll be pleasing to the ear, but you can kind of use your imagination. Once you hear this horn, it's not going to sound good. So, that being said, I guess we're going to wrap this video up with horrible sounding horns. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a good day.